In this tutorial, I will teach you how to create a stamp brush in Uniform 3D editor. Start by selecting the Draw Displacement brush. If you try to use it, you will notice that there isn't enough pressure on the stroke. To fix this problem, tap on the brush to open the brush properties. Increase both strength and displacement factor. Try again. Much better. Open the properties again. Upload any alpha image. Select file of provider and change it to image. Now select brush sampler. Select surface scatter. If you try it now, it will scatter the alpha all over the place. What you can do further is to open the properties again and change the tip orientation to viewport track. This will scatter the alpha in the same direction. One more thing, if you want to use this brush to scatter color alpha instead of the displacement, change the color. Then open brush kernel and change it to full color surface kernel. To learn more about customizing the brushes, check out this video.